Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text color change in Premiere Pro. First, open your project and navigate to the timeline. Select the text layer you wish to modify. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel, usually found on the right side of your workspace. Here, you will find various text properties. Look for the Fill option, which controls the main color of your text. Clicking on the color swatch will open the color picker, allowing you to choose any hue you desire. Once the color picker is open, you have several ways to choose your color. You can drag the eyedropper tool to sample a color directly from your program monitor. Alternatively, input specific hexadecimal color codes for brand consistency. You can also manually adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness sliders to fine-tune your selection. After choosing your desired color, simply click OK to apply the solid color fill to your text layer instantly. For more dynamic text, consider advanced techniques. Instead of a solid fill, you can create a gradient by adding multiple color stops within the Essential Graphics panel. This allows for smooth transitions between two or more colors. You can also apply video effects like tint or colorama from the Effects panel to achieve unique color shifts or stylized looks. Experiment with these options to add depth and visual interest to your text. When choosing text colors, always prioritize readability. Ensure there is sufficient contrast between your text and the background. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a contrast ratio of at least 4.5 to 1. Also, strive for color consistency throughout your video to maintain a professional and cohesive look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color palettes to find what best suits your project's mood and message.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.